The most deployed topic of May was Terra's Luna and USD assets. In June, two different platforms were brung up repeatedly. One is Celsius and the other one is Three Arrows Capital. The name of the collapse has changed, but its method has not. These two platforms, which brought another big crisis, dealt the second blow to the crypto world after Terra. Three Arrows Capital is slightly worse off than Celsius. Celsius is working harder to fix the chaos. The crypto interface has grown tremendously thanks to the team making improvements. The Celsius price rose over 130% in a short term. It shows that the increase is more in the 7-day period. Cryptocurrency lender Celsius recently suspended withdrawals through its platform, causing panic among investors. However, the native token Celsius price has increased by 130% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin, the leader of cryptocurrency markets, struggled to hold above the 19.8k level. With this rising struggle, the Sand token, one of the favorite altcoins, also took action. The efforts of the bulls have been rewarded in the last hours as Bitcoin saw a small spike past the 21k level. The resistance is located at 23.3k. A stronger Bitcoin price action could provide short-term gains for the altcoin market. The sandbox has strengthened a bit in the last hours as the price surpassed the 0.89 level. However, it's not easy to break the resistance at 0.97 for sand. As a result, while lower time frame indicators point to bullish momentum, there has been a lack of demand for sand over the past few days. Unless demand arrives, a true uptrend may not occur. Visa, one of the largest payment companies in the world, has launched a series of crypto-enabled cards in partnership with several fintech startups in LATAM. With the announcement made by the company, the Latin America region was elected as a priority. The cards will allow users to spend crypto, buy crypto where Visa cards are accepted, as well as return crypto through different fintech partners in the region. After 3 very boring days, Bitcoin has made an important comeback, but we can say that for now. It will need to pass some resistant points in front of it for a full comeback. The balance sheet of the 3-day bloodbath since Friday last week has been really heavy. A red market emerged in a way that no one expected. However, at the end of third day, the weekly closing was positive. This brought a glimmer of hope. The sell-off in the cryptocurrency market pushed the price of the first coin below the all-time high of 2017. The market specifically sagged below the unbreakable 19k support. No one expected such a strong decline. Fortunately, Bitcoin has climbed above 20k threshold. Unfortunately, the volume profile shows that most market participants are not yet ready to push substantial funds into the market as fear still reigns among them. Judging by the liquidation volume of institutional investors like Three Arrows Capital, Celsius and the others, the potentially impending short-term rally will likely be initiated by individual traders who will most likely catch a knife in the market. There has been a new development regarding Terra. The company, which is closely followed, is not allowed to breathe. The Terra Foundation has to deal with lawsuits both in its own country and in other countries. Now the news will hurt even more. According to the Korean news site JTBC, the Seoul Joint Finance and Securities Crimes Investigation Team has placed travel embargoes on developers on the Terra team. This is part of the ongoing investigation into Terra by the Korean authorities. The lawsuit also highlighted Do Kwon's unprofessionalism before the collapse of the tokens. Recent reports have been rife with claims that the USD Luna situation is an inside job. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.